Hey, it's Ryan Cavino with the Charlestown, Mass. Condo market update for the week ending February 23rd. We got one new property, two under agreement, and two sold. So let's take a look at this new one at 30 Monument Square, Unit 108. It's on for $425. It's a one-bedroom, one-bath, and a really terrific building, about 950 square feet. And there's 44 units in the complex with heat and hot water included in the $419 condo fee. You can see this property is tastefully done with a step-down dining area or a step-up living room, however you want to look at it. The kitchen is a little dated, but with some new cabinet fronts and some new appliances that would look terrific. $425 is a pretty aggressive price for this property and should generate some interest quickly. What went under agreement was 21 Walker Street, it's a one-bedroom condo, and this is a new penthouse, new renovation, green renovation with utility guarantee, which is cool. They're guaranteeing that the average utility bills will be less than $90 a month, or the seller will pay for the difference. It's about 611 square feet, but you can see the floor plan is really quite excellent. You have the bedroom in the back, and you have the kitchen overlooking the living room, and you could have a dining area. They elected to have a chair over there, and this one under agreement, and just about 18 days, so it's priced pretty high for a while, but it's still a nice property. 27 Trenton Street is a 2004 renovation, and has some nice period details here. 865 square feet, nice kitchen, nice living room, two bedrooms, one bath, and that took about 103 days. So let's take a look at what's sold now. 21 Walker Unit 2, another property that took a long time, 293 days. This sold for $339 this past week, and it was a 4-room, 1-bedroom. And you can see it's similar of a layout, but it has a few extra square feet, about 50 or so. And then 16 Union Street Unit 1 sold for $502. It was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and just a little bit of a location difference will show you how much these properties change. This 2 bedrooms, 1,200 square feet, and sold for $500,000 because it's right in the Gaslight District of Charlestown. Again, it took about 96 days. It's just about 3 months, and it was priced at $509 and sold for $5,025. It started out at $509, and they stayed pretty true there. So let's throw in all of the active condos in Charlestown. We got about 88 or so. Average list price $344 and a market time of 210 days. And then the solds, we get 2 of those with an average sales price of $420, just 4,000 shy of the average asking, and a market time of 194 days. So, looking at that, $88 for the actives with an average asking of $494 and a market time of 131 days. The under agreements this week, 2 at $344 and a market time of 210 days. And then the solds at 194 days. So it's a slower market. Despite these under agreement properties being priced under the average asking, they still took about 80 days longer. And then the condominiums that sold were priced and got pretty close to their price, and they decided to wait it out due to the market, and it is a highly sought after area, and it just took a little extra time. So that is your Charlestown, Mass. condo market update for the weekend ending February 23rd. If you have any questions, give me a shout, Ryan at ryancavino.com.